Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Digistore24, manage digital product sales step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Digistore24.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. On the top right corner of the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Now, move to the password field. Type in your secure password. After filling in both fields, review them for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you are ready, click the Login button. You will be taken to your Digistore24 dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. From the dashboard, you can manage your digital product sales. Navigate to the relevant sections for analytics, product listings, and account settings. Make sure to explore any notifications or messages that may appear. If you encounter any issues during login, verify your email and password. In case you need to reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once logged in, you can effectively manage your digital products and track sales performance. Feel free to explore the various tools available to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.